Once upon a time, the earth was covered with nothing but nature. There lived a species called the gibbon that walked the ancient earth. A gibbon's food was mostly plants and fruit that fell to the ground. Sadly, those kinds of food were running out, and gibbons could not go to bed with a full belly any longer. Feeling starved, they had to seek out a new kind of food. Luckily, they realized that up in the trees hung mountains of fruits. Time passed, and the climate on Earth got warmer. The bright sun always gave its sunlight to the earth. With such thick fur all over their bodies, the gibbons felt too hot and could not stop sweating. To survive in the hot weather, their fur began to fall off and became very thin. Since that time, gibbons don't sweat as much as they used to. But their troubles were far from over. The many dangers of the earth remained a threat to gibbons' lives. Predators like panthers and wolves were always after the gibbons to eat them. Moreover, natural disasters like rains and storms made their survival even harder. To protect themselves, gibbons started learning to create fire by rubbing sticks together and knocking stones to create sparks. Those tools were weapons to help them hunt for food and to protect themselves effectively. We can see that gibbons gradually developed crucial skills like standing on two legs to grab fruit, shedding their fur to adapt to the heat, and making fire and weapons for hunting and self-protection. That was how they survived and adapted to their habitat. Slowly, gibbons took the appearance of the humans we are today.